Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to tell you passive income sources of 2022. Let's start with our first platform in our list. It's Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a platform you can perform simple tasks to earn money, like really simple tasks like video editing, picture editing, data entry, logo designing, or YouTube thumbnail, or you have any skill you can provide your services. Like I will show you YouTube thumbnail. It's a very simple and common uh, skill. You can make a thumbnail very easily with the help of online websites tools. The most best is Canva.com. Canva. You can find a great templates to make thumbnail, or you are going to edit any video, picture, or anything for your client. You can find very good templates here and for free, and it's very best to make thumbnails of YouTube. Here you can see, like, go to social media, and here you can go for YouTube thumbnail. There are unlimited templates of YouTube, and like this you just have to edit the name, simple words, and you can make a very good thumbnail. And here you can see that 732 orders, 1000 plus orders, 1000 plus orders, yeah, like that. It's a very common and easy skill you can provide online. Just need a little bit of your practice, or you can go with video editing, picture editing, all things you can perform online. It's a very great platform to start your career online. And in our list, the second is, sorry for that, it's Upwork.com. Upwork.com is the same freelancing platform. You can perform any task. If you have any skill, you can make a gig, and client will approach you. They will order you. Here you can also same with the Fiverr. Like you can uh, give your services, like to create thumbnail, to make and manage YouTube channel, manage Facebook pages, anything you have any skill, like simple tasks. You can search here. If you have any experience of customer service, or you're like a $5 per hour, $10 per hour, $8 per hour, it's a very great platform. And Upwork, there is a lot of traffic of clients. Fiverr, Upwork, they are almost same. You can go with another, it's Guru.com. It's the same, it's an freelancer, it's for freelancers. uh, you can, you have any skill, you can here post any of your skill, and you will get orders and just perform the services, and you will get paid. Guru.com have a huge traffic of clients, as like Fiverr, Upwork, and Guru.com. And here is freelancers.com. Same platform like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, freelancers.com. Here you can also perform any of your skills like YouTube thumbnail, video editing, picture editing, manage Facebook pages, manage social media, or customer service as a customer service representative, any of your skill. In our list, the last one is Binance.com. Binance. If you have any interest in cryptocurrencies, the Binance is one of the best platform. It's an exchange for cryptocurrency buy and sell, if or trading, future trading, spot trading. There are many types of tradings. It's very simple to use. You can have Android or iOS application in your mobile. Today in sorry for that. Yeah, I was talking about the Binance. It's an exchange, the large exchange to buy and sell coins, cryptocurrencies, where you can buy currencies, new launch currencies, and you can perform spot trading, future trading, buy coins at low price and sell them at high price. All they need some skill, some time of effort. First, we have to learn something for this website, for this platform, and you will start making a very passive income with this platform, Binance. You can go with any other cryptocurrency exchange. The Binance is best one. Hope you like that. It's all the things was to Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, freelancer.com. Here you have to perform actions like you have to provide some services and client will approach you. In Binance, you have to work by own. If you are interested in trading, you have to first we have to learn how to trade. You can learn from YouTube or online websites, or you can get a lot of videos on YouTube about the trading. Believe me, it's a very, very great platform. Hope you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.